Hello, welcome to this year's IEEE Robotics Competition. In this video, we will walk through the rules of this year's contest. Overview. Matches shall be scheduled in rounds. Within each round, each team will have a chance to compete if they are ready when they are scheduled. Scheduling will be randomized. As soon as all matches of a round have been completed, play will proceed directly into the matches scheduled for the next round. It is the goal for all teams to complete 6 rounds. Each team is responsible for being present at the on-deck area for their assigned field prior to the completion of the match before them. If they are not present, they will forfeit that opportunity to compete and will score no points in that round. The field. The field will be made of 36 foam tiles with 2 litter bug starting locations and 2 player starting locations. Plastic, metal, and trash bins will be placed at the top of the field. The match. Prior to the beginning of each match, the litter bug will be stocked with 4 items of each type of litter and placed on one of the 2 red starting tiles. The competition robot will then be placed on the blue starting tile, furthest from the starting location of the litter bug. Once the competitor robot has been placed, 12 items of litter will be placed on the field. This will include 3 paper trays, 3 plastic bottles, 3 aluminum cans, and 3 chip bags. These items will be randomly placed on tiles that aren't starting tiles by the game software before each match. Now, here's how the game will play. Each match shall have a duration of 2 minutes. At the start of each match, the litter bug will autonomously start to litter the playing field with the 4 types of litter after 15 seconds. The referee will also signal the competitor robot to begin play. The goal of the player is to take as many litter items possible to their respective bins at the top of the board in order to score points. Scoring. Points will be added or subtracted in the following ways. +1 point for each item of litter loaded in the litter bug or placed on the field at the start of each match. -1 point for each item of litter on the field at the end of the match, including parts that have come off of the competition robot. +2 points for each item of litter in the correct bin. +1 point for each can or bottle placed in the trash bin. No points are awarded for putting incorrect items in a particular recycle bin. -1 point for each piece of litter from the match that is outside the field's perimeter and not in a bin or touching the robot. There is one more way players can score points. Throughout the match, the litter bug will transmit a signal, which a competitor robot can intercept and persuade the litter bug to no longer dispense a certain type of litter. If successful, a corresponding light will deactivate to show that a certain item will no longer be dispensed. +2 points will be awarded for each type of litter that the litter bug has been persuaded to no longer dispense, as indicated by the litter bug lights going out. +2 more points will be awarded if the litter bug has been persuaded to no longer dispense any of the types of litter, as indicated by all the lights going out. More details of this can be found in our game manual. After 2 minutes, the match will end and both robots must cease operation. Then the match will be scored. The final score for each competitor will be the sum of the points received for their 3 highest scoring matches of the 6 matches played. Disclaimer: actions that appear deliberate, that tip or damage the litter bug, or that damage the field, will result in disqualification for that match, and no points will be awarded. Before a team that has been disqualified under this rule will be allowed to compete in a later match, the team will be required to demonstrate to an inspector that actions have been taken to prevent this behavior. Thanks for watching.